Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. And this is your general love reading for October 2020. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. Also, you can check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, because it's not going to resonate with each of you, Aquarius. So take as whatever is resonating with your situation, Aquarius, and I will try my level best to help you out to deliver all the messages, whatever messages I am getting for you. Okay, Aquarius, I will deliver all the messages. And one more thing I need to discuss with you all. I don't know for whom this message is for, but Aquarius, today I saw a dream, but I want to share with you because I am getting that I have to share this message, I have to share this dream with all of you. Maybe some of you have to listen this dream. Maybe this is important for you, Aquarius. I saw six birds, six yellow small birds, okay, small yellow birds getting entering into the house, and they are going in a room and flying in a room, and then they are going back out of the house. And in these six birds, and the bird was small, okay, the bird was very small. It was a I can say these six birds were birds child, okay, birds, small birds child, they were the kids of birds basically, okay. So they were flying in a room, and they went out of the house, out of the room, and there was one small bird, sixth bird, who just fell on the floor. And that yellow bird was dirty, okay, that was not in a good shape to fly. So someone in my dream took that bird and helped him to fly again, okay, Aquarius. And that small little sweet sixth yellow bird, small bird, fly out of the window, and it went out of the window too. So I don't know why I share this dream with you, but this was the dream which I saw today, and I felt that I have to share it with you because this dream has a message for someone who needs to listen, Aquarius, okay. Maybe this is an important message for some of you, Aquarius. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me with this regarding this dream, okay. But I saw six small birds, okay, six small birds coming in a house and flying and getting out of the house back again. The small sixth one was not in a shape to fly, so someone helped that small little yellow, and the color of the bird was yellow, okay, Aquarius, the yellow bird, and it just fly out of the window again, okay. So all of the birds were flying out again. So I don't know why I saw this, but I saw this dream. So yeah, let's start your reading, Aquarius. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, okay. So let's start your reading, Aquarius. And in 0404 is the recording reading time, and I am going to post more video in the extended. I'm going to explain these cards in a deeper way, and I'm going to post your bonus messages too. So let's start, Aquarius. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Okay, 10 of cups, Hangman, Four of Pentacles, King of Wands. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to give the best positive messages to my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And it just fell out. Wow. Ace of Pentacles, Hermit, and Two of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Oh, this was at the last. So Two of Swords and Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Okay, Aquarius. So let's see. And I don't read reversals, Aquarius, that I want to tell you. Okay, so bottom of the deck, I am having Sun card. Something new beginning is happening in your life. Help me out to give the best positive message. Eight of Cups. You are leaving a situation behind. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Hierophant and Page. Oh no, I don't need to take them. I don't know why, but I'm not going to take them. Let's start again. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to give the best positive message. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. You are leaving a situation behind to achieve the Ten of Pentacles. You want Ten of Pentacles and you are having Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, see? Strength and Fool. Strength and Fool is there. New beginning, Aquarius. You're taking a leap of faith. Death card. Something is ending. You're putting an end to situation. You are putting an end to a situation. Hierophant. What? Seven of Cups. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Yeah, see? Seven of Swords. There were some deception, lies and manipulation in the past and you're leaving it behind. Let me see. Any other message? Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Any other message? Yeah. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. And today what happened that I was recording your video, I was doing your reading before and it was not complete. So I just stopped that video and I am recording it again. Then again 2-3 times it was something which was forcing me to stop doing your reading. It was very heavy. I was not able to do your reading today. There was lot of energy around me who was pushing me not to do that. And now you are single and abundant. Some of you are single and abundant. You get to know this. So yeah, Aquarius, let me see any other message. Yeah, you are rising as Queen of Swords. This is you are coming in your reading. You are ready to cut any of the lies, deception, toxic people from your life, and you are getting victory in it. You are getting succeeded in it. You are getting success. You're getting victory in whatever you are doing it, Aquarius. You're moving ahead with all confidence. You know the truth. This Queen of Swords know the truth, and this will let you speak your truth, and this Queen of Swords will cut any of the manipulative, deceptive, lies, energy or people around this Queen of Swords. She is very, very that kind of person who will not take a minute to cut any of the manipulative and lies and deceptive people around them. She doesn't like lies. Basically, she is a woman of truth and she loves truth, and you're getting succeeded, you're getting victory in it, and right now you are single and abundant. So let's start, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Let me adjust my cards so that I can see them properly or I can tell them. So, Aquarius. You want to achieve 10 of cups, but right now you are feeling like an hangman. You are holding back a lot. You are holding so tight your heart. You're protecting your heart a lot. Okay, you're putting, can you see this man who is trying to balance a lot? You are trying to balance a situation. You are trying to putting so hold tight to your to your heart, too close to your heart. This man is trying so hard to balance the relationship from head, heart, legs. So this is trying so hard. Okay, you're trying so hard to balance yourself. Some knight of energy is coming towards you, who is going to give you ace of pentacles. I want to see this ace of pentacles, but this is not a good energy. Okay, some stable offer is coming towards you from this ace of wands. This ace of wand is going to give you a stable offer, but this person is not good for you, because this is a player kind of energy, Aquarius. They will come, they will come rushing towards you, and they will vanish again, they will ghost you. Okay, because this is a person in a red flag. This is a red flag for me. Okay, but they want to give you a stable solid offer. They want to offer you a stable offer. Okay, which you can touch. 1122 was the recording reading time. So they want to give you something stable offer. They want to give you something stable offer which you can touch. But you are taking an energy of hermit. You are turning within yourself to seek all the answers within. You are turning an energy of hermit. You are taking an energy of hermit. You are seeking answers, clarity within of yourself. Then there is the two of pentacle and two of swords. So you were juggling into two situations or two people. There was no balance in the situation. Whatever you were dealing with the relationship, there was no balance, and you were juggling a lot in that relationship. And now you are taking a decision by intuitively. Okay, two of swords, it's not looking by eyes. You're not looking from your eyes. You are looking from your, can you see this girl is very, this girl doesn't want to look from their eyes. She is not ready to see from the eyes. She is putting swords around themselves, around her, so that anyone who will come around her, she will cut them off. She is protecting herself. So yeah, Aquarius, and you are moving away from that situation. You're leaving that situation to attain your 9 of cups. 8 of cups is there. You are leaving a situation or a person behind to achieve 10 of pentacles. You want to gain this 10 of pentacles. This is abundant card. Abundant in money, abundant in love, abundant of everything. You want to achieve this abundance card, happy, abundant in everything. You want to achieve this 10 of pentacles. That's why you're keeping your strength back. You're keeping your strength back. You are coming back with lots of confidence back. You're keeping your strength high, and you're starting a new beginning in your life. You are taking a leap of faith with lots of strength. This new beginning takes lots of strength from you, and you are putting lots of strength in that, and you are taking a leap of faith in it, that everything is going to be good for myself. Okay, you are believing in yourself. You are believing in divine timing, and there is a sun behind this. So you are moving in a positive way. You are taking a leap of faith, and you are moving ahead. Okay, and you are putting an end to a situation. Something is ending. That's why you are and this ending is related to Hierophant. That means some of you may be married to this person, or you were in a relationship which was very serious, in which you both were committed like a marriage. Okay, so you are putting an end to this thing, to this relationship. You are putting an end to this relationship because you are ending this situation. This situation involves marriage. You are ending this. You are putting an end to the situation because that man was having lot of options. That person, man or woman, gender is not specific here, this person was having lot of options. Can you see there are a lot of options? And there were seven of cups and seven of swords, both are there. So they were having multiple affairs or multiple relationships other than you, and they were sneaky, deceptive. Seven of swords. So yeah, this person was not good for you, and you know the truth. You know the truth. You know the truth, Aquarius. You know that this person is deceptive, manipulative, and he's telling you truth, not truth. He's giving you all the lies every time, because he was dealing with lot of options in life, and you know this. You are moving at a slow pace. You are getting the energy of King of Pentacles. You are moving at a slow pace. You are moving in a slow pace ahead, but you are moving it, because there is a 10 of swords. There is lot of burdens on your shoulder, and you are fed up of these emotions and burdens in your life, and you are releasing it. You are releasing it, and you are turning back into King of Swords energy. You are now, you know the truth, Aquarius. You know the truth that this person was not good for you. This person was, can you see this? Can you see this? You know that this person was telling you lies. He or she was manipulating every time. Every time this person was manipulating you, this person was giving you lies, deception. Okay, you know this. You know this, that this person is not good for you. He or she was having lot of other affairs or other cup or other relationships other than you, and now you're knowing this. You know the truth. That's why you are taking charge as Queen of Swords. You are ready to cut these manipulative, deceptive energy and person around you, and you're getting succeeded in it. You are getting success in it. You are getting victory in it with the Six of Wands, and now you are single and abundant. You get to know that you are single and abundant and much more deserving than this deceptive behavior. You are rising as Nine of Pentacles. You are rising as a Nine of Pentacles. You are rising as single and abundant. You are cutting these manipulative, deceptive, lies person from your life, because there was no balance in your situation, Aquarius. You were giving a lot of efforts, lot of things in that relationship. Okay, you are juggling a lot between these two situations or these situations, and now you are moving ahead with this Eight of Cups. You are moving ahead, and this is your reading, Aquarius, and I'm proud of you, Aquarius, that you are rising as King of Swords. At last you get to know the truth. Now you are clear in your mind, Aquarius. There is no confusion. Now there is no confusion in your life. There is no confusion in your mind. You know the truth, that this person, either you are married to this person, or you were in a relationship, in a long term relationship with this person, or you were committed with this person from long period of time, Aquarius. You both were in a serious committed relationship, which is equal to the marriage. Okay, so you are getting to know the truth. You are not taking a step on, there is no confusion. Basically there is no confusion. You get your clarity. So you get your clarity that this person is not good for you. This person is having so many other relationship other than you. Okay, they are giving you deception, lies, manipulation every time. So you get to know this, and you know the truth now. This is not that this queen knows the truth. So now you know the truth, Aquarius. So in the extended, I am going to take these cards on a deeper level of, in a deeper way. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards. Okay, so let's see what are the meanings of these cards in an extended reading. Okay, I hope it resonate with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, because I want to see that who is this Knight of Wands, who is going to give you a stable committed offer with this Ace of Pentacles. So let's see what are the meaning of these cards in the extended reading. So do check that extended reading too, which I am posting after this video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Till the time, you need to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and heal to all my beautiful magical beings all over the world. Till the time, take care, Aquarius, and bye bye.